So, the 17 principles of King 4, these are found in part 5. Guys, I've color-coded the principles that address the same kind of topic, right? So, it's not many that have been color-coded to address the same topic, but 1, 2, 3, and 6 both address ethics. Okay? 7 to 9 all address the directors, so the board of directors. And 14 also addresses the board of directors, so that's matched there. Okay, so guys, instead of working through every single principle here, where there's a common topic, like you can see the ethics of board of directors, I've merged the information together, but you can then go and find, or you'll find the information you need in one of these specific principles. So I've tried to create a more summary of the king, dealing with the very key principles and combining other information from principles that maybe aren't easily testable and aren't commonly tested because they aren't massive topics on their own. Okay, but here you can see what they are. So 1, lead ethically and effectively. 2, govern the ethics of the organization. 3, ensure the organization is a responsible corporate citizen. All of these dealt with in King 3. 4, set the strategy of the business. 5, ensure that there is the reports, like the integrated report, that need to be developed and released. 6, make sure you've got a board of directors or governing body, which is your focal point. 7, look at the composition of that governing body. 8, ensure that they delegate certain duties, but they will be held responsible even though they delegated. 9, evaluate them, the governing body, its committees, members. 10, delegate to management certain duties. 11, govern risks. 12, govern information and technology. 13, govern compliance with laws and regulations. 14, remuneration. Deal with the remuneration of the company and directors. 15, ensure that there's assurance, both external and internal, external auditors and internal auditors. 16, manage stakeholders. And 17 new is ensure that there's responsible investment, okay, to create value within the company. So, let's see how I've gone and structured it. I've said, we're going to summarize it into the roles and the responsibilities of the governing body, which is ultimately ensuring all the principles per king are met. I've combined 1, 2, 3, and I've said the business must be conducted ethically. We'll then go and look at certain recommended practice that can help the business to be conducted ethically. With regards to the strategic direction, said, okay, it's principle 4. What do they need to do with regards to that direction? And you'll see, guys, in this king, a lot is delegated to management, whereas previously in king, the board would take responsibility and do whatever delegation they need to. But here in King 4, they actually say, delegate this to management. But you must approve it because you must be responsible for it. Okay, so down the side here, I've put the principal number so that you can go and refer to where it needs to be. And then I've just put down a communal topic to help you see what we're looking for. 5, there must be an integrated report, which is prepared annually. The board committees are 8, and I do actually address the board in 7. Performance is evaluated in 9. risks, IT, compliance with laws, stakeholders, and assurance, guys, you'll start to see a lot of common roles and responsibilities from the governing body with regards to these. Okay, and if you know it for one, you'll be able to apply it to each, which should help reduce the amount of studying going forward.